Mga kapuso, sa kapaspas sa pagdagan sa panahon, ingon man sa kadaghan po natong mga responsibilidad nga ginahimo sa kinabuhi. Nahatagan pa ba nato ang atong kaugalingon nga mag-pause and reflect? Kay this morning mga kapuso, let's feed our soul and mind. Kauban ako sa kadabawan niya, pastor and author. It's a blessed morning, Mrs. Pami, ug welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta po kayo?
Good morning mga kapuso. Thank you At Home with GMA Regional TV for inviting me here. Okay tayo.
Mrs. Pami, unang-una no, gusto po namo masayran o interesado pud mi nga makahibalo unsa ba inspirasyon ug istorya likod ni ining imuhang libro nga Stella.
Before, I think I was in college, I preached about Stella. 6 years after, I decided to write a book about Stella. It's a book that will invite you to rest. It's a book wherein it will teach you on how to depend on God. It is a book in which it will teach you on how to spend time with God.
Wow, very interesting, Mrs. Pami, no? Kumbaga, food for the soul yun ay imuhang libro. Pero among nasayra niya, before pa man nimo kini gi-produce nga libro, no? Usa po day ka-vlogger. Please share with us your journey.
So I started blogging last 2019 before the pandemic. I wanted to create content about marriage, about life in an early stage of marriage. And so I keep on posting. There is this one time that one of my posts about not my Mr. Dreamboy blog. It is a story about how I accepted the simplicity of my husband. It's like that. And so it went viral. As of now, it has, I think, 100,000 shares, that blog, and the rest is history.
Well, great to know that, ma'am, no? Ug kining luyo sa mga inspirational message gikan sa imuhang libro ug sa imuhang mga blog. Unsa ba ang kining parte sa imong kinabuhi nga nahimong turning point nimo to become the person you are right now?
Okay, so the reason why many are hooked up with my blogs, no? So because it contains a lot of hugot.
It's totally okay to be single.
And the turning points. It talks about all my turning points. Because in my high school days, I'm an insecure type of a person. Yung feeling na siguro mababaw lang to, but my turning point is that yung crush ko, iba yung crush nila. Parang ganun. So, I felt more insecure about it, of how the way I look. So, I started to question myself, my worth. Parang pangit ba ako? May kulang ba sa akin? And so, because of that, I started to seek God in my life.
Grabe, Judy, ay ang hugot sa imuhang life, ma'am, no? Pero sa imong journey sa pagsulat o pagpublish og libro, ma'am, unsa pa ang mga challenges nga imong na-encounter o unsa pud nimo ni pag-handle?
First, pinaka talaga na pinagdaanan ko as I start to write this book is doubt talaga. Kasi I thought that no one would purchase it, no one would support it. But I thank and praise the Lord for the people He provided to support me, to give me encouragement, to just continue. Kung ano yung impressions ni Lord, kung ano yung vision ni Lord for me, to just continue. So, maganda din talaga, you will surround yourself with friends, with family, and of course, your better half, your partner, to support you to go on with your dreams.
And lastly, para sa mga taong may mabigat na pinagdadaanan sa ngayon.
First, in conquering doubt, you must believe in yourself and just continue. Kahit na at first, walang sumusuporta sa'yo. And then second, that I can advise to those aspiring writers is to be authentic, be real, be genuine, especially if you are a blogger. Because blogging is all about sharing real life situation. It's all about inspiring others to find beauty sa mundong ito.
Well, sakto ka diha, ma'am, no? Conquer doubt by simply believing in yourself. Thank you so much for sharing your time with us. Ingon man sa mga inspirational message kaya mong gihatag sa atong mga kapuso viewers all over Mindanao. Amping always, ma'am.
Salamat po kayo. To God be all the glory.
Mga kapuso, relax lang mo. Mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.